We tend to think of molecules traveling through the air rather rapidly. For example, if we open a bottle of perfume in one corner of the room, it only seems to take a few minutes before the perfume permeates the whole room. Now, part of that is due to the fact that we have convection currents occurring. And convection currents will move the air throughout the room rather rapidly. So to avoid convection currents, I'm going to have air or a gas in this particular tube that will travel from one end to the other. Now, in order to be able to see that, I'm going to take a piece of cotton batting and add a little bit of water to that, and then add an indicator called phenolphthalein. We'll add some indicator to that, and to show what happens, when I take some household ammonia and I hold the cotton batting with indicator nearby, the cotton batting will turn pink as the ammonia, which is a base, reacts with the phenolphthalein that I put on the cotton and turns then pink. Phenolphthalein is colorless in the absence of a base and turns pink in the presence of a base. So we'll take a small amount of cotton batting, again just wet it, and add some phenolphthalein to that, and then we'll drop that in the bottom of this water bottle. Then we'll take a second piece of phenolphthalein and add some ammonia to that using a pipette. So we'll take a pipette and add some ammonia, some of the household ammonia to that. Make sure it's soaked. And then we place that in the mouth of the water bottle, and then we screw on the cap and just have it lie here. The ammonia will diffuse through the bottle, and when it reaches the other piece of cotton with the phenolphthalein on it, we'll then be able to see a color change indicating that the ammonia has reached the other end. By doing this demonstration in a closed bottle, we prevent convection currents from moving the air around. And so the only way that the ammonia can go from the top end to the bottom is by the process of diffusion. I'm starting to see a little bit of pink developing as the ammonia reaches the other end. So that took about a minute or so to travel a distance of about 15 centimeters. So you can notice the pink color developing. So diffusion in air goes rather rapidly, not as fast though as what we often experience, because convection can also carry air molecules and gas molecules like ammonia and perfume throughout a room.